This Thanksgiving, there are more than 1,000 members of the Michigan National Guard spending their time away from their families today. Some of those serving in the Middle East received a thank you call from Governor Whitmer. The governor made video calls to the 156th Expeditionary Signal Battalion from Howell, the 1436 Engineer Company from Montague, as well as the 125th Infantry Regiment from Saginaw. They're deployed in Bahrain, Iraq, Jordan, Kuwait, and other countries. The governor says Michiganders are putting their lives on the line to keep those at home safe. In a statement, she says, quote, "As we celebrate Thanksgiving, we must recognize the immense sacrifices they make so we can live freely. Right now, many active duty service members are apart from their families, working hard oceans away from Michigan. I hope we all take some time to honor our service members and their families this Thanksgiving and pray for their safe return home."